Hi everybody, so glad you're here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time for unboxing a Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that's $21 and you get 4 to 5 full-size makeup and or skincare type products. And I've put the link below if you have any interest in signing up. I've loved it. I love getting the full-size product as opposed to the itty bitties. Don't get me wrong. I like the samples too. With my sensitive skin, sampling is great, but this is the best. Well, at least the best so far. I actually supposedly made it off the wait list for the February Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but it hasn't even shipped yet, so I'm waiting patiently for that. So I'm so excited. There have been so many spoilers, and that only makes me want to see what's in my box even more because there are variations, and there are some that you want more than others. And so one of the variations I know is you could either get the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana, the Pharmacy Clean Bee Cleanser, or Tula face masks, and I don't know which I got. I'm hoping there's a Coco Cabana in here because I love the Sol de Janeiro products and I can't help it. But what are the odds? I guess 33%, assuming they spread it equally. Anyway, I digress. Let's see what's in here. So when you open it up, it says, "Hello, Charmer," and let's see what we've got. I'm gonna look at the camera. I see the bottom. This lovely right here. That's the cream I wanted. I'm so excited. I want to say, I don't even care what else is in here. I do, but I'm so excited I got that. So let's see what else we've got. So the theme for this box is Afterglow. And I guess stuff in here is going to make me have a glow. We'll see. And it tells me on the back what I've got, so we won't read all of that now. And let's see what's in the box. Let's start with the product we already know, that nice Sol de Janeiro. This is the one that people say smells like everything from buttered popcorn to jelly beans to coconut. And I'm anxious to see. This is the product I wanted the most in this. And I just really hope that it smells like coconut and not buttered popcorn. It's a real gel feel to it. I don't know if you can tell in the shake of this that it's just got a real gel feel, not a lotiony feel. Put it on my finger. It smells like a cross to me, a cross between coconut and buttered popcorn. Actually, it's a little sweeter than that. So it smells like a cross between coconut and buttered popcorn Jelly Bellies, because it's sweeter than if it were just buttered popcorn or coconut. So let's see how it does. It's real clear. It's definitely gel-like. It does not take much. You saw how much I just used, and I feel like I probably could have done this whole arm up my hand to my shoulder. I have to tell you, on your body, the takeaway is definitely buttered popcorn. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll see. Right now it feels a little tacky. So I don't even think right now this is a feeling that I would want my body to feel like this is what I wanted the most. Oh no. So we'll see. I just put this on, so we'll do this whole unboxing and we'll come back and see. Hopefully it will have soaked in and I will feel fantastic, because I don't think I will leave my house with my buttered popcorn lotion and my Prada perfume. I think probably I will only use it in the evening, because if it's a good lotion, I mean, I don't mind laying in bed smelling like buttered popcorn. Okay, as I say it, I know how weird that sounds, but if it's a good lotion, I'm using it. Okay, next we have the Touch and Soul No Poreblem. I've heard other people struggle with that, and I said, you're not going to struggle when you say it. And there it was. This is a primer from Touch and Soul that people are loving, that they say smells good. So let's see what it smells like with a little combination of butter popcorn, and is a great primer. Oh, it feels fantastic. It feels kind of like a combination between the slip of a silicone, but almost like it's absorbing like a moisturizer would. I like that a lot. Oh, and it smells nice. The fragrance is not overpowering at all. It just smells nice, like it's just a posh smell. I wouldn't call it floral. It's just kind of clean and posh. Posh. There's got to be a better word. Right now I'm using the Tatcha pore filler that you kind of press in, but I only do that when I have a full face of makeup. That's not something that I do when I'm just going to throw on a little something and run to the grocery store. So I generally haven't been priming unless I do that full face of makeup. I just throw my makeup on and go on with my life. But this will be a nice alternative for those in-between days. Okay, so let me circle back to the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana. They say is a $20 product, and the Touch and Soul primer, no Poreblem primer, is an $18 product. So my next product is the Better Than Sex Mascara. Looks like this. It's a nice heavy tube. I love the feel of that. I especially love it when the handle is weighted. I don't know, something about it with application. It goes on nice with a weighted handle. It's one of those hourglass brushes with the real long ones. They're not my favorite because I do tend to get this on my eyelids more than the other, but it doesn't matter. I'm using it and it's going to be awesome. This is, they say, a $24 product. Okay, next in the box I have the Nudestix eyeshadow. Try and get this open. In copper foil. Very pretty. This is what the pencil looks like. And the swatch. Very pretty. That's just going to be, it'll blend out nicely. Should have put that on the hand I put the primer on. But Nudestix copper foil pencil. And they say that that has a value of $24. And last but not least, I have a pretty vulgar bronzer in Bronzed Bee. This is the packaging. It's really pretty. The bronzer comes in a rose gold. I don't know if you can tell that it's rose gold, but it's a beautiful rose gold. It looks like an old-fashioned picture frame. I got some swatch here. So it's a really dark color, but it looks like it's a color I'm going to be able to manage. So that's nice. It looks like, you know what? I have a brush over here from another unboxing. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's got a, I don't know if you can tell. It's got a lot. I mean, I hope you guys can see that. A lot of kick up. But that's not necessarily a bad thing, as long as it's still pigments. Let's see what's on my brush then. Oh yeah, so you're definitely going to be able to get pigment but build. That gives me hope because I'm so pale that it is very difficult for me to use a bronzer, so this might get the job done. Very cool. So that's it for my Boxycharm. Okay, so the Pretty Vulgar has a value of $32. That is a pricey bronzer, but it is pretty. So the Pretty Vulgar bronzer in Bronzed Bee, the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana is, oh, it dried right down. Oh, it does feel good. It dried right down. It's not even anywhere, a little bit tacky. I'm gonna use it. Like I said, even if I use it in the evening and I sit around my house smelling like buttered popcorn, it's okay. We also received the Better Than Sex Mascara, the Nudestix Copper Foil Eyeshadow, and the Touch and Soul No Poreblem primer. I got so excited I said it right, I forgot what it was. So that is 5 great products. Boxycharm knocked it, as far as I'm concerned, Boxycharm knocked it out of the park this month because I will use every one of these products. I wish the Sol de Janeiro smelled a little bit more like coconut than popcorn. And the pore primer I will absolutely use. That felt fantastic. The mascara I will definitely use. The Nudestix, probably more when summer comes. It's one of those things that if I'm running out in the summer, like up to the pool or something like that, I might throw a little bit on my eyes. But still a good product. And the bronzer, which it seems like, although it is incredibly dark, it's upside down too. I think that it's gonna blend nicely. So I'm gonna be able to use that. So the value of mine for my $21 spent is $118 for $21 with products that I'm going to use. I mean, you can't beat that. Those are products that I'm gonna use. $118 worth. What a bargain. I'm so excited. I'm anxious to see how the rest of the people in my life feel about me wandering about smelling like buttered popcorn. Thanks for coming by, guys. Have a great day. I would love it if you would like this video, subscribe if you'd love to see more unboxings, and comment below. Did you get the same things? What in the world do you think that this smells like? Do you think it smells like buttered popcorn? Have you tried it on you? And because in the jug, it smelled more like coconut to me. On my body, definitely getting buttered popcorn. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.